This is what a trip to the dollar store for your shooting targets produces. Right?
Right.
And yes, for people that know me, we are going to be shooting an apple today. And that's very difficult for me to do. So, anyway, this is what we call the shooting range Halloween style. We're making a jack-o'-lantern.
Use at least a 40 grain bullet. Shoot, mine only 150.
Does it say a 40 grain bullet, really?
Yeah. I don't know how a 40 grain is going to go 220 feet per second, but...
40 grain 22. Really, really long one.
Alright.
Ultra long rifle?
Yeah.
Does it fit? See if it fits.
Oh yeah.
It's going to be beautiful.
Alrighty.
Should I slow-mo it too?
Putting ping pong balls in this jack-o'-lantern.
Ping pong balls.
Jason's mixing the Tannerite.
Alright.
I don't know what it is with guys and explosions, but this seems to be like crack for us. Should be a lot of fun. Or extremely dangerous. One of the two will happen.
Alright. It says detonate from 40 yards.
Exploding apple, take one. Or pumpkin apple. So what happens to an apple? Hopefully.
Yep.
Yeah. I promised an apple. I didn't say an Apple computer.